Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a hair tutorial. We're gonna do this little cute style that I did. It's very easy, guys. Basically what you need is one pack of expression, bobby pins, and a wax gel of your choice, and a crochet needle. So I washed my hair, I made sure it's all straight and detangled. Yeah, so basically the style you can just keep it for 2 weeks. Yeah, max basically. So what I'm doing is I am just sectioning my hair. I'm gonna have 4 lines in total, but the lines on like in the beginning of each side are a bit smaller than the ones in the middle. You have to make sure that they're a bit smaller. Yes. So yeah, and I put in the gel. I like putting in the gel before I do the cornrow because it makes it neat, and I can just grab my hair properly when I'm braiding it down. I'm not gonna lie, I did encounter a lot of challenges with just doing those cornrows down. I didn't have anyone to help me. I did it all myself. If you cannot do hair, you can just go to your stylist, ask them to do your hair for you. Or if you are an advanced person, you can just do it yourself. It's simple and straightforward. Yeah, so what I'm doing right now is just braiding those 4 lines.
Put the paper in the picture like a diorama. Gotta face a lot of people that are opposite, cause the world told me we ain't got that common sense. Gotta prove it to myself that I'm on top of shit. And you would never know a guy without a goddess is honest, is fucking honest, kidding. I could be on everything. I mean, I could be the leader, head of all the states. I could smile and jiggle it till his pockets empty. I could be the CEO, just like a Robin fan.
So I joined each end of each cornrow with a wool so that they just don't spiral out of proportion. I want them to be like intact. Yes. So as I said, you only need 1 pack of expression, and you must just cut it into 2 equal parts. And basically what you do is you take piece by piece of that hair piece and you just crochet it in. Remember, we're only crocheting it in the middle cornrows. We're doing the middle cornrows and you're just leaving the ones at the side like that. So yeah, I found it very easy for me to do this cornrow like this, like crocheting it in. I know it's different, but it's very creative. I also saw someone doing it and I was very inspired. I was like, oh, okay, now this looks simple. As you can notice that I did not crochet all the way down to the end of the cornrow. I just left it halfway. I feel as if it makes it easier for me to like wrap it around at the back, as you saw that the back was all like wrapped around properly. Yeah, I did find a lot of challenges doing this cornrow. Like the hairpiece was just getting tangled up, like it was annoying. But yeah, I fought through it. I did it, and yeah, I did it all nice and perfect. But yeah, those were like some of the challenges that I did encounter. But I fought through it and I succeeded. So what I'm doing on the left, I'm also doing it on the right. Same technique. Do the same thing. Remember, we're only doing the ones in the middle. We are not doing the ones in the sides. What I'm doing right now is pulling it. Basically, I am just pulling it out to create volume because I want it to be big. I want it to pop out. But just keep in mind that you mustn't over pull it until it loses form. It has to look like a cornrow at the end of the day. So just be careful when pulling it. Make sure that it still looks like a cornrow after you pull it. You just don't want to over pull it until it loses its natural form. You don't want to do that. Yeah, so I'm just pulling it and just creating volume. Also, you must remember that when you're doing this braid, don't tighten too much because now it's going to be hard for you to pull. Yeah, so what I'm doing right now is I am just gonna pin the rest of the braid down. Remember, I didn't crochet it all the way down. I only crocheted halfway. So yeah, I'm using now the bobby pins to just keep it intact. If you like it, you can just leave it like that. After you have just added the bobby pins, just leave it like that. Or if you're looking for like a more like formal style, you can just wrap it around and just create a neat bun. make sure to like cut all the hair that is just excess so that it becomes neat. So that's it, we are done, guys. It's simple, ne? Very, very, very simple. I hope to see you guys try the style. It's really cute. I really like it. It's one of my favorite styles so far. It was inspired. I saw this other girl doing it on Instagram and I was like, no, I need to try this. And yeah, it worked out well. So yes, please do try it out. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, forget to also share my videos. Thank you.